요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만
Yeah. Ready made. So ready na siya kainin. Fish cake.
You should put BTS.
We have fish cake. And then stir-fried anchovies and peanuts.
Basta maganda kasi ito.
너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. 갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘은
Small.
Okay, this is the spicy. And Use this one.
Gusto niyo naman po lumipat ng ibang channel. I-box niyo po.
Okay guys, so the next one we're gonna do the pork belly with
So, pwede niyo pong
the not spicy.
yung kanina, bro.
That's fine.
초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 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 초콜릿은 달콤해 달콤해
One, two, three, four. One, two, three. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸만
So we're adding salt, peppers. Next one, pepper. Yeah, salt and pepper to taste.
I think I need that cheese and I think I have to listen because
We're gonna use this one.
sun is up it's beautiful
Beef bulgogi marinade. Marinade.
Wala.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. 갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야.
No, ito yung sabi ko. So guys, here are the shrimps. Ayan, shrimp. I don't know how. I think this is about 50 pieces, I think. There's one more. Oh, there's one more. But wait.
Tignan mo nga
There's
kung
one
si
more.
Gelotee na yung nakalabas na.
Ano yung sabi mo about sa mga may allergy sa seafood?
Yung Friday yan.
You're not living your life. You don't know what you're missing. Okay, we're done with the shrimp. Garlic powder.
Simply organic. Please sponsor me.
Yes, Bacana Man, please sponsor me. Simply organic. Careful.
초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해
So we're done with the meat. So we have the pork belly here, the spicy pork belly. We have the beef. We have the garlic shrimp. Then we have this pork here, the thin strips, and the beef strips.
Where's the kimbap?
Perfect. Okay, so we have a crispy seaweed rolls here. So we got this one in H Mart 2. As you've seen in our H Mart Korean haul earlier. So this is how many pieces it comes in one. It's one pack. So there's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 22 pieces in a pack. There. So I will put the price on the screen. So preheat oven. Yeah. So now we are at my cousin's house. So dito kami nang gugulo at gusto namin idea niya. So name is Mary Ann. There. So we'll wait and see till we cook this one.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah.
There, so we'll make sure both sides are well cooked and crispy. And this is really good. Well, I don't really know yet. I've tried the ones from the cart, from the restaurant, and
Oh, you did not eat yet?
we'll see how this one tastes like. So I'm just flipping the rolls on the other side. Oopsie. Making the noodle tteokbokki. This is the only one left, so I guess sikat siya. I think this is very saleable kasi nag-iisa na lang siya. Oh, pumiyok. Nag-iisa na lang siya. So we're gonna try this. So it's very easy. It comes with 2 packs of rice cake. Ayan. Comes with a noodle. And then we have the sauces. So I rinsed the first thing I did, I rinsed this one. I rinsed the rice cake, and then we're boiling water. After boiling the water, when it's already boiled, then we just add everything. Okay, now the water is ready. It's already boiling, so we're gonna add back our rice cake. That's 2 packs of rice cakes. And then we're also gonna add the noodle and the rest of the ingredients. Added the noodle. So when the noodle is ready, I will add the sauce and let it boil as per the instructions for another 5 minutes. Okay, so now we're adding the sauce. There's 4 packs of sauce, so we're just adding it on here. We already added everything on the pack, so we'll just let it boil for another maybe 2 minutes and it should be done. Our tteokbokki noodle. My cousin is gonna make japchae, veggie japchae. So here, her mom, my aunt, already boiled the vermicelli noodle earlier. Oh no, not vermicelli. Sweet potato noodle. Yes, so this has already been boiled. Okay, so she's chopping the veggies. So these are the ingredients for the veggie japchae. So we have bell peppers, red bell peppers, carrots, and shiitake mushroom.
Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. 갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이.
Okay, this is our veggie japchae. She's just adding that noodles. Japchae, bayatan maan, Korean feast, at sa Cordero.
Saan dito ilalagay itong shrimp?
I love you 나의 사랑이란 I love you 초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해
Maway kayo. Yun o. Pero para makita ko sa vlog. Si Angeli. Sa iPad kahapon, Sa ni ano? Gandahan mo naman, Angeli, yung background. At upside down.
Oh, yeah. Nag-vlog na siya.